Hey, how we doing today? Roy Avery with Avery's All In, coming to you straight from our warehouse. Today we're going to get into a video about the stuff that I have behind me. It was our first buy at ASD Marketplace. That was out in Las Vegas. We have some videos about our trip out there. We have some sports stuff. We had some military stuff that we got. Check out the video. If you see something you like, be sure to hit us up with a comment. Shoot us an email. The email's in the description of every video, and we can get you a list and we can get it shipped out to you. Enjoy the video. We did a lot of walking in ASD and talking to a lot of distributors. This was our very first order. We drove down to Columbus to pick it up. Why did we go to Columbus, Lise?
Because of their location. Sometimes the shipping on products is so expensive. We were able to find, one, some local vendors, and two, some vendors that had really great price points and some great inventory. So without further ado,
as you can see, I'm starting to lay out our first order.
What are these?
These are military flags. Specifically, we have the U.S. Air Force, and they are 3x5, materials polyester. And in this order, of course, we are a veteran-friendly company, and we're working on a local nonprofit, or working to find a local nonprofit to help out with veterans.
So this one, for whatever reason, they don't show the picture of it. Oh, there it is. That is the Navy 3x5 Navy circle.
And there's the Army right there.
There's the Army. It's the Army Star.
Now this one here is the U.S. Marines, USMC, and you can see this one has that nice big stamp on it, made in the U.S.
Yep.
Now, one thing that the owner told us is these are all officially licensed, and with the Marine Corps flag, that was one of the things for them getting officially licensed to be able to do this, is it has to be made in the USA.
Yep.
And then to round out the 3x5 flags, we have the Made in the USA, or I'm sorry, the USA flag.
Yep.
So we also got a heavier duty USA flag.
These are it's the same
3x5.
size, but it's the embroidered.
Yeah, so the stars are embroidered, and it's a heavier material for the flag as well.
Yeah.
Now, these are at a little bit higher price point because these are heavier duty, so they cost a little bit more. But again, one of the reasons we like this company is they're local to Columbus. It's only a 2-hour drive for us, so we save on a lot of shipping, so we can pass that cost on to you as well.
Pass the savings on to you. We're not passing the cost on to you.
And we also got license plates for each branch. So we just start off with 6 of each, but if we had one branch, wanted to make sure we had the others.
And you can see, again, another reason we went with this company is that they do provide items that are made in the U.S. Not everything, but these license plates are made here in the U.S., so we liked that aspect. And those are all individually wrapped, so...
And we got hats to go with it. And the reason why we got the hats are we also got hat pins to go with them as well. So this is Navy, this is Army. So these are, we like the specific design because of the emblem. And then you had actually the branch written on the...
It looks like we got 2 blue and 4 black.
Yeah, wait a minute. That is...
How many of those do we have?
So here we are with Navy, Navy, Navy. So 3 blue and 3 black.
So we got 3 blue and 3 black for the Navy.
Oh, we got 3 blue and 3 black for the Air Force.
Oh, okay. So they gave us a mix. I didn't realize they were going to do this, but that's fine. I like it.
They gave us a nice little mix there. And then these are all black, the U.S. Army. Now, I'm sad to say that the United States Marine Corps hats that were supposed to be like this sold out, but by all means, we do still have some. And those look like that. So these are your Marine hats with Semper Fi along the side.
So all of these hats have the Velcro adjustable back.
And they are officially licensed.
Yes.
So
So there you go. There's that.
and what came, it didn't come with it, but the reason we ended up getting the hats to go with it was we were looking at the lapel pins and the hat pins. And let's see if I can get this bag open.
You can just bust it open.
I could, but then I got to put it all back in the bag, or they're just all over the place. So we got a couple different hat pins. So these are your U.S. Army. Let me pull one out for you, so you can see a little bit better what it looks like. So that's one hat pin. And we got, to go with these, we got ribbons with the, just a little, with the emblem in there. And we got it for each branch. So you have the Marines there.
There you have the Marines, and then you'll have the Marine
And
emblem with the
also,
branch.
We have the retired. So if you're a retired veteran, we have the retired. And if you're just a veteran, or I've seen people that wear and support hats for their children, grandchildren.
Anyone who supports the military.
Exactly. So we have the regular and then we have retired. This is Navy, and we have them in each branch here. Navy. This is... So we have the different option. Just a regular pin, and we have the retired pin. And these are Air Force. There we are.
So the regular, the retired, and the ribbon for each branch.
Correct. There we are. This was what we ordered at ASD in Las Vegas, across the country, from a company right down the road from us, right? It was nice to go visit them. We placed our order. And when we went to pick it up, we got more stuff.
Because
so we ended up getting what? 2 more boxes?
Yep. The showroom was so big though, and because this is just kind of new for us, we didn't want to go really deep into any one product. So,
but Lisa did want to get into sports products. So let's see what we got here. Now, we do online auctions that are local. It runs for a week. Everything starts at $1. You can actually go check those out through www.recycleneo.com. And when the auction ends, most of the people that buy things are local and they come in here and pick it up. So we get a lot of fans from Ohio sports teams. And here's one. Look at this. I didn't even know. How big was this? Let's see.
my guess is 13 inches.
You think it's 13 inches?
I do.
Well, let's measure this and see. These are 14 inches.
Okay.
Round. So Cincinnati, if you're an NFL fan, Cincinnati Bengals in the last couple of years have really done well. So we got, what, a few of these?
I think 2. We got 2 of each team.
So, oh, there we go. We're in Cleveland, so we can't forget the Browns. And we actually are going to put some of this and test out the waters in eBay. And I think that's what this team is here. Huh. Now,
As much as it pains us to purchase this,
Steelers decor sales.
Steelers merchandise sells.
That's
so,
all there is to it.
Yep.
And, of course,
Being in Ohio, OH.
IO, you have to get the OSU type material. And Cavs are doing well this year too. So we got these Cavs signs.
We went with a different shape for those.
Well, they didn't actually have these, or did they? I didn't see them in the NBA.
I don't remember.
I only saw these in the football and college. So that is the signs, but we love our coffee mugs. So look at that. That actually feels nice and solid. This has the keeps cold, cold, and hot, hot. So it's a hot and cold mug, and officially licensed, 24 ounces. And this is actually pretty heavy duty and solid.
And if you take the lid off, you can see it just pops off. Doesn't twist off.
There we go.
It is the stainless steel on the inside, so that's going to keep your drink cold longer or hot longer.
So, and we got what? How many of these? One. I see 3. So we got 3. This is a Steelers as well. So that's a Pittsburgh. And what was this one? Oh, Cleveland Browns. So 3 mugs, 2 Pittsburgh, and 1 Cleveland.
They were really low on inventory on some of this stuff. They didn't have any Bengals left in this right now. They're getting restocked, but, you know, we're on the tail end of the football season, so we're just trying some of this stuff, and if it goes, we'll go in deeper.
And we got we got 3 of these chrome license plates. So the idea with the Steelers is putting this on eBay and going a little bit wide as far as different items, so that if somebody picks, let's say, this license plate, they might actually look for that chrome frame as well. So we got 5 plates and 3 of the chrome frames. We're gonna see how that works. And then we have some Bengals wallets and Steelers. What else?
All right, but here, flip them over, because that's the fun side. So we went in with wallets, and we just stayed with the 4 teams, the 4, not Ohio teams, but
the 4 teams
the
that
4
are big
teams
and local
that
around here.
we are, you know, kind of focusing on right now. We just couldn't go, you know, with all of the NFL teams. It would have just been too much. And then keeping in with this car theme and thinking about possibly doing some like gift bundles or things like that. We got some of these chrome emblems for the Browns.
And it's just adhesive
And the
tape.
Steelers.
So you just stick it on the back of your car.
Yep.
Kind of like a bumper sticker, but it's an emblem. And
then again, in the same line of thought with the bundling, we have the
these
earrings
are,
that go along with the wallets.
So just kind of putting them so you can see what team this
So
goes
these are
with.
like a heart-shaped fishhook style pierced earring.
And we got them representative for each team that we are.
Yeah. Browns and Ohio State.
Yeah.
So that was what we picked up when we were in the showroom.
Yes. Well, we did pick up more out of the show.
Yes. There's
But,
one more box back there.
We do have one more box. They gave us a deal that we just had to grab one too. So we filled out the merchandise with a little bit of the veteran, a little bit of some sports. And then while we were there, they gave us a great closeout deal on some signs that these were working on testing.
Yeah. Those are samples that we're going to take a look at and see if we want to go deeper on, like what you're going to see in a second.
So we got these because they had tons of these funny and different saying type signs. So we went a little deep. This is the Serenity prayer warning. I don't dial 911. Of course, these are all for sale. World's greatest fisherman parking only. So we got a dozen of those. Parking for golfers only. If you like to golf, that might be a fun little sign to have. This house cat Controlled by this house controlled by Fat Cat.
By one fat cat. Princess parking only. Parking for pirates. So just fun little signs. These are going to be really, really reasonable. And there's just a fun selection of them.
Here's another one. See this a lot. Never mind the dog. Beware of the owner. I can please only one person a day. Today is not your day. Tomorrow doesn't look good either. So we got Land of the Free because of the brave. Warning, man cave. Enter at your own risk. Now this one here, we didn't go deep on that one, but
I personally didn't like it, but the guys did, so.
disaster area. Suppose we refund your money, send you another one without charge. Close up the store and have the manager shot. Would that be satisfactory? So that's a little customer complaint department. And last but not least, hunter parking only. All others will be used for target practice.
Nice.
So if you like these videos and you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Hit that bell for all notifications and don't forget to share. Until the next one.